It's very important for us to know what our theoretical basis is, to know what's informing us, and to be able to think out the theories that are partnering with us. Theory as a mother is the idea that that theory can be something that we have a relationship with, something that's living and breathing, something that's changing, something that we create too, that we further, that we argue with, that we think about differently at different times in our lives. It's an open thing, not a closed thing. Also, I think it's important to know that unlike a biological mother where you only have one, theory, you have more than one. There are sometimes many theories, and at least a few that are parents that we choose. And these parents, like our parents from childhood, may not always agree with each other. They may be arguing and fighting with each other. And when we have a living relationship with theory, that's okay. They don't have to agree. We can still use them creatively. We can use theory creatively when we make it our own, when we have a relationship with it, when we use it experientially.